Best 3D printers. Are you looking for the best 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra 9K Resin 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra Resin 3D Printer is a high-performance desktop 3D printer designed for precise and efficient resin printing. It features a 7-inch 9K monochrome LCD screen, enabling ultra-detailed prints with high resolution. The printer supports a printing speed of up to 150 mm per hour, making it one of the faster resin printers in its category. Its smart automatic leveling system simplifies setup, ensuring accurate first layers without manual adjustments, while the intelligent detection system monitors the printing process for errors and interruptions, enhancing reliability and print success rates. For connectivity, the Mars 5 Ultra supports Wi-Fi-based file transfer, allowing users to send print jobs directly from a computer or mobile device, streamlining the workflow. The printer accommodates a printing volume of 6.04 by 3.06 by 6.49 inches, suitable for a wide range of models, prototypes, and miniatures. Its build is constructed from durable materials, including ABS, aluminum, and polycarbonate, providing stability and longevity during extended printing sessions. Designed with usability in mind, the printer comes in a sleek black color and has a compact footprint with dimensions of 9.06 by 9.06 by 17.05 inches while weighing 8.8 kilograms, making it suitable for desktops or small workspaces. Overall, the ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra combines high-resolution printing, fast performance, smart automation, and convenient connectivity, making it an excellent choice for hobbyists, professionals, and makers seeking precision resin printing with minimal hassle. Its robust construction and advanced features deliver a balance of speed, accuracy, and ease of use, positioning it as a competitive option in the resin 3D printer market. Number 2. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro FDM 3D Printer with Autobed Leveling. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro 3D printer is a versatile FDM 3D printer engineered for precision, reliability, and ease of use, catering to both hobbyists and professionals. It features auto bed leveling, ensuring consistent first layers without the need for manual adjustments, which simplifies setup and improves print success rates. Its dual-gear direct extruder provides strong and consistent filament feeding, allowing for better control over flexible filaments and minimizing the risk of clogging. Combined with the dual lead screw drive, the printer achieves stable, precise Z-axis movement, enhancing layer accuracy and overall print quality. The printer comes equipped with a removable capacitive touchscreen, which offers a responsive and user-friendly interface for navigating print settings, monitoring progress, and adjusting parameters during printing. With a large build volume of 8.85 by 8.85 by 11 inches, the Neptune 3 Pro accommodates a wide variety of projects, from small prototypes to larger functional models, making it suitable for makers with diverse printing needs. Constructed primarily from aluminum, the printer is durable and stable, reducing vibrations and improving overall print consistency. Its sleek black design and compact footprint, measuring 23 by 9 by 19 inches and weighing 22 pounds, make it suitable for desktops, studios, and small workspaces. The printer supports a wide range of filaments and is optimized for reliable high-quality output, combining sturdy construction, advanced mechanical design, and intelligent features. Overall, the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro offers a balance of precision, speed, and usability, making it an excellent choice for users seeking a reliable, easy-to-use 3D printer capable of handling larger prints without compromising accuracy or performance. Number 3. Anycubic Kobra 2 Max 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max 3D Printer is a high-performance FDM 3D printer designed for users who require large-format printing, speed, and precision. It features a massive build volume of 420 by 420 by 500 mm, 88 liters, allowing for oversized prints, complex prototypes, and multiple smaller models in a single run. Its high-speed printing capability of up to 500 mm per second significantly reduces production time while maintaining detailed and accurate output. The printer incorporates auto-leveling and smart Z-offset technology, ensuring precise first layers without manual calibration. This feature, combined with vibration compensation, reduces print artifacts and enhances overall print quality, producing smooth surfaces and fine details even in larger models. The Kobra 2 Max is engineered to provide consistent, reliable results, making it suitable for both professional and hobbyist applications. Built with aluminum, the printer offers structural stability, minimizing vibrations during high-speed printing and maintaining dimensional accuracy. Its design emphasizes durability and longevity, while its modern aesthetics and the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max color blend functionality with a professional look. The printer's dimensions of 30 by 29.5 by 7.25 inches and a weight of 21.28 kilograms make it sizable but manageable for large workspaces or dedicated printing stations. Overall, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max balances speed, accuracy, and usability, providing advanced features such as auto-leveling, vibration compensation, and enhanced print quality to handle demanding projects. Its large printing volume, robust construction, and intelligent features make it an ideal choice for users seeking high-speed, high-detail, and reliable 3D printing performance, whether for prototyping, professional work, or hobbyist creativity. Number 4. Anycubic Photon Mono 4. The Anycubic Photon Mono 4 is a high-resolution resin 3D printer designed for precision, speed, and reliability, ideal for hobbyists, makers, and professionals. It features a 7-inch 10K monochrome LCD screen, which delivers exceptional detail and clarity, enabling highly accurate prints with smooth surface finishes. The printer is equipped with a stable light turbo light source, ensuring even UV exposure across each layer for consistent curing and superior print quality. With a fast printing speed of 70 mm per hour, the Photon Mono 4 accelerates production without compromising detail, allowing users to complete complex projects more efficiently. Its print volume of 6.04 by 3.42 by 6.49 inches provides sufficient space for miniatures, detailed prototypes, and intricate designs, making it versatile for various applications. The printer is constructed from ABS, aluminum, and polycarbonate, providing durability and stability during extended printing sessions. Its compact footprint of 10 by 10 by 15 inches and lightweight design at 3.5 kilograms make it suitable for desktops or small workspaces. For connectivity, the Photon Mono 4 is compatible with laptops and personal computers, allowing for seamless file transfer and print management. Designed with usability in mind, the Anycubic Photon Mono 4 combines high-resolution, fast printing, and intelligent engineering, making resin 3D printing accessible and efficient. Its robust materials, precise light source, and advanced LCD technology ensure consistent performance, while its size and weight make it easy to integrate into personal or professional setups. Overall, it is a reliable and high-quality choice for those seeking precision resin printing with speed, durability, and ease of use. Number 5. Creality K1C 3D Printer. The Creality K1C 3D Printer, 2024 new version, is a high-speed, high-performance FDM 3D printer engineered for both professional and hobbyist users seeking precision and versatility. It supports an impressive printing speed of up to 600 mm per second, dramatically reducing production time while maintaining accurate and detailed output. The printer is compatible with high-temperature filaments, including carbon fiber and other specialty materials, with a maximum print temperature of 300 degrees Celsius, expanding creative possibilities for functional and durable parts. The K1C features an auto-leveling system, ensuring precise first layers without the need for manual adjustments, while its clog-free direct extruder guarantees smooth filament feeding, reducing downtime and maintenance issues. This combination of intelligent features improves print reliability and efficiency, making it suitable for complex projects and high-precision prototypes. Constructed from glass and aluminum, the printer offers robust stability and durability, minimizing vibrations and enhancing print accuracy. Its large dimensions of 25 by 15 by 22 inches provide a substantial build area for medium to large projects, while the design remains suitable for desktop or dedicated workstation setups. Weighing 27.3 pounds, the K1C balances sturdiness with portability. The printer is compatible with laptops, personal computers, and tablets, allowing seamless file transfer and control over the printing process. Its combination of speed, high-temperature filament support, and smart automation makes it a versatile tool for professionals, makers, and advanced hobbyists. Overall, the Creality K1C 3D printer delivers fast, precise, and reliable 3D printing with robust construction and intelligent features, making it an excellent choice for users who require high-quality results with minimal hassle.